Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
ARMS is a 1-2 player, motion and button-controlled fighting game on Nintendo Switch. You select a character with 2 customizable arms that extend and retract. Each ARM has unique properties like homing, electric, or wind effects. Each fighter uses extendable arms to punch, dash, grab, and block, and movement across the arena matters because ring-outs can end rounds. Matches are best of 3 rounds, each round ending when a player's health bar reaches 0 or by a ring-out. Swing the Joy-Con to throw punches, or enable button controls to use L and R for left and right punches. Use the left stick to move, press ZR to dash, and press O or B to jump when available. Dashing plus a punch creates faster, longer reach attacks. Use grabbing to break through blocks and to throw opponents toward the edge. Charge your punch by holding and releasing to increase damage and knockback, letting you turn a pressured situation into a decisive hit when timed correctly. Target an opponent's lead arm to reduce reach and open them to combos, especially if they favor a single heavy ARM. Use weapon types, homing, electric, wind, to exploit matchups. Wind arms push opponents off-screen, while electric arms can combo into extra hits. Mix short jabs, charged punches, and grabs to break stubborn defense and bait parries. Practice parrying by timing a block right before impact to stun and create a counterattack window. Then follow with a dash throw or charged smash to seal rounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.